Let's have demo to understand how we could procure the Azure Data Warehouse. I'm at my portal, portal.azure.com. And if you don't have subscription, you could take subscription and you will be credited $200 per month. To create the Azure Data Warehouse, click on Create Resource, type SQL Data Warehouse. You will find this guy over here. Click and you have description which you could read. SQL Data Warehouse is fully managed enterprise data elastic data warehouse and all the things which we have discussed earlier, and on the time we will discuss. Click on the create button over here. As soon as you will click on the create button, SQL Data Warehouse Blade will open, and you have to provide couple of demos. For a demo, I am writing plural site demo. Subscription, I'm using Azure subscription. I want to use existing resource group. Resource group is uh, where you want to keep your resources similar. For example, you could consider it as a directory or folder where you keep all the related files together. So as I'm doing a demo, it's in my demo, but in couple of cases it's for demo for Summit when I was speaking at Summit or web chatbot. So similarly resource. So you could consider resource group as directory. This is very beautiful thing. Select source. If you want to create blank database, you could have opportunity to create database. You could create simple database, which is Azure Adventure Work Data Warehouse, or you could take the backup of your existing on-prem data warehouse or any database. So we have all the opportunity. For this demo purpose, I'm using blank database, configuration required. I'm creating a new server. This will be my database server name, and this is my database name. So that's the difference between two. Database.window.name. I'm giving server name plural site server server admin login. Give your password, choose the location. As we were discussing earlier about the location where you want to keep your server, and we also discuss about some tricks to save money. So it is highly recommended you choose the server where you are geographically located. There are a lot of advantages including speed. uh, if you want to save money, you could try with different locations of server where you could find the cheapest server location. And please note, if you are government employee or public sector employee, there are policies. Our data should not leave the boundary of country. So considering all those points, choose the location, create select, and look at this guy, performance tier. This is a data warehousing unit guy. Which data warehouse unit, how much data warehouse unit you could choose. We have opportunity to choose from 100 data warehouse unit to 6,000 data warehouse unit. 60 times performance we could increase within fraction of seconds. But it is highly recommended you will start with minimum data warehousing unit so that you could look over, okay, it is best fitted or not. For my all the clients, I always start with 100 data warehousing unit, and in 80 to 90% case they are all set with 80% with 100 data warehousing unit. You can look over. It costing us 1.77 Canadian dollar per hour. Click apply and then create. It will take couple of minutes, I would say 2 minutes, uh, to deploy our data warehouse. Once our data warehouse is ready, then we have opportunity to play around to give the access, what setting we could do. So we have opportunity to load data. We will discuss about how to load data with Redgate Data Platform Studio, or with Azure Data Warehouse, or Azure Data Factory, or with SSIS package. In which scenario, which option or which product is most suited to us, we will discuss it down the time.